Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will implement some basic programs in jQuery. Like how can we implement some basic programs using jQuery. So for this, you have to have the Visual Studio. And so this is my Visual Studio. And here you can see, right, jQuery programs. So I have created a jQuery program folder in documents and I have get it here. So I have uh, opened the folder in the Visual Studio. That's it. That's it. So here, what I will do is, first of all, I have to, open the terminal. So I have to open the new terminal. So just drag it up like this. So this is my new terminal. This is my new terminal. Yeah. So now here you have to install jQuery. So you have to, first of all, you have to install the jQuery. So for this, you have to write the command npm. So if you don't have npm, you just have to install just npm install. If you don't have, then npm will be installed. And here you have to type npm install jQuery. Just click on npm install jQuery. Then it will be added. So how can you check whether it's added or not? So you have to click here. So see here node modules, jQuery node modules, all this source, dist, and go.json. So all these files will be you can get, and you will be having package log.json. You can see all these details, and you can see the package.json. So you can add the all the dependencies here. So you can add all the dependencies here. So just close this thing. So just close this thing. Just close the node modules. And here I will create a new file. So not here. So you have to close the query. After you have to close the node modules. Yeah. So now I will create a new file. So the new file is testing jQuery dot html. Yeah, so we have created a basic HTML file. So just create a HTML structure by using HTML, type HTML, and see here, you can click on this thing and you can get the basic structure of the HTML. Basic structure of the HTML. So all important thing is head. So all important thing is head. So in head only, we will write all the things. So the most important thing is everyone has to remember the head. So here you have to implement two script tags, script tags, and you have to give the source. You have to give the source. So you will be having some sources in jQuery. So you have to you have to give the source. Then only some functionalities in jQuery will work. So the source is jQuery hyphen 3.7.1 and main dot main.js. So this is a jQuery. It's a jQuery. So without writing this jQuery, the functionality will not work. So what functionality? So I will write the functionality. So first of all, without writing functionality, just write here p tag. So I will write Avengers Endgame. Avengers Endgame. So I have written some code here. So here I will implement script tag here, and here I will implement the logic. I will implement the function logic. So first of all, you have to write the dollar symbol and open the documents. Open the document. And here I have to ready. I have to write the function. So it's a function. So here I will open the function. Here I will open the function, and I will open it. I will just open it. I will just open it. So what I have written? So I have opened the document, like I have written the document, dollar document dot ready function. So what I'm saying is whenever I load this, whenever I load the web page, so please execute this functionality. Please execute this functionality. I'm writing. So what you have to write? So dollar document dot ready, and you have to open a file. That's it. Open a sorry. You should open a function. You should open a function. So what function you have to write? So just write dollar here, dollar, and we are having p tag, right? So we are having p tag, right? Just write p here. That's it. P here, p here. So what should I write here? You have to write click and write function, and you are opening again a function. That's it. Again opening a function. That's it. So what we have written? First we have written document dot ready function, and after that we have written a p tag, and which tells uh, you have to do some functionality. Which tells you have to do some functionality. So what functionality it has to do? So right like click dollar again, and this dot css. Here I will implement color, and what color? The color is red. The color is red. Color is red. So I hope you understand what I have written. So first I have written the document.getReady function. So I'm readying the function, and what function it has to do. So I have to take a p tag. So whatever the content which is present in the p tag. So you have to write a function. So what function? So here I have written this dot css, like whatever the content which is present in the p tag, which is represented by this, which is represented by this, and that content you have to turn it into red. Turn it into red. So that's it, friends. So this is all about simple jQuery program. I hope all the things are correct. So we have implemented the source, and we have written the logic, and we have written the p tag also. And just write here h1 tag jQuery jQuery simple program explanation. So just click F5. So the program will be executed. So but the color is did not came, right? Color did not came. So we have written color. Just like this. We are having some errors, right? So that's why it's not getting anonymous Java query. So we are having some error. So it's not coming. So what we have to write? We have to written document.ready function, and yeah, We have written function. We just opened it in CSS. Let's close the head, and we have written the body, and we have closed the things. Yeah, so everything is correct. And the source is jQuery hyphen 3.7.1.min.js. That's it. So let us run this program again. Happy with it. It looks like a browser organ. We're not getting the exact color here.